Hey, also, I'm making this video because I thought this is pretty cool and I want to share it. So I am thinking of starting a print-on-demand store, and I need some designs like this for the store for the merchandise. And I was going to do them through using AI one by one by one, but I thought, well, why don't I just write a script and it'll completely create the images for me and save them like it just did that one. This is a brand new one. So what I did here was I powered up a little bit of Python. If you don't know any Python, it's pretty actually easy. You just install it and copy paste. There's some more to it, but you because of AI, you really don't need to know how to code anything anymore. So this is only 187 lines, and what it does is I tell it that it's a graphic designer, and then I tell it to create a prompt, and then that prompt is sent over to the image generator DALL-E 3. So I'm using ChatGPT 3. I should be using 4o. It's using GPT-4o, and then it's using DALL-E 3 also. And then finally it prints out the image inside of my downloads folder, inside of a folder called images, and then it's appending a name that I gave it to it, the number, and then the prompt as the title, so I can always know what the prompt was that created this in case I want to recreate it. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose from these and pick out the best ones and then kind of edit them a little bit. If there's any typos, I can try to fix that in Photoshop. And then here's how much that's costing me right now. So I have about 80. So I've generated about 85 images, and that's cost me, let's see, probably 12 bucks, $14. And you can see here when I highlight, it's $8.58 in images, and then there's an additional $2 in API calls for the text model, GPT-4. So if you found this useful, let me know. Maybe I'll put together an actual video of how to do this step by step, but I just thought I'd share that because it's pretty cool.